Hi Sherry, how you doing today?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So you're doing great? I noticed today your brother brought you in, and he had some concerns about how your mood has been.
I mean, I don't know why, because my mood's been awesome. For like a week, I've been getting so much done. At work, I finished both reports that I've been working on, and even at home, like I've had tons of time to clean my house and get caught up on actually making my house what I want it to be, and just working on it in general, and it's clean, and I haven't had any issues.
All right, so you're feeling pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
And you have been for about a week?
Yeah.
All right. Do you feel like your sleep habits have changed?
I mean, they have. I haven't been sleeping as much. I haven't needed it, really. I only need a few hours, it seems like, but it's been fine because I haven't been tired. I haven't been, irritable or anything during the day. And, at night, I get a few hours of sleep, but for the rest of the time, I'm like, either working on work or my house or whatever. So, I'm sleeping less, but it's not an issue.
All right, so you're sleeping less, but you don't feel tired at all.
Mm-mm.
You feel okay.
Yeah.
Do you find yourself more easily distracted by anything? Things around you?
No, not really.
No, nothing like that?
Mm-mm.
You mentioned you get a lot of things done at work.
Mm-hmm.
How about at home?
Yeah. So my dining room, I've needed like more new china and stuff like that, so I've gotten everything set up. I hadn't finished unpacking all my boxes from when I moved in, so I've gotten all the boxes unpacked. Even like things like placemats and whatever, like it looks like a home now, and I'm really liking what I'm doing.
All right, so you're accomplishing a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when your brother had brought you in, he had mentioned some shopping, and that's one of the things he was concerned about.
Yeah, well, so on the weekend I had gone ahead and went shopping, and I kind of went on a shopping spree, and I had bought, like I said, my new china, and I gotten some kitchen utensils too, and a couple things for around the house, like home decor, and I had called him because I had ran out of space to take everything. I was at the mall, so I was hitting a lot of different stores. And I'd run out of space to put everything in because I really wanted to actually get a new dining room set, like tables and chairs and maybe a cabinet. And he has an SUV. So I called him to see if he could come and so I could purchase the items, but he said he couldn't come out. And I guess he kind of said he was worried about me spending that much money, which I don't know why he would be just from me calling him, but I think that's why he was concerned. But he didn't come. I didn't get the dining room set or anything.
You remember how much you spent?
I don't know exactly because there's lots of different stores, but I have a couple different credit cards. The one credit card I used was declined by the end, so it was probably I didn't need to get the dining room set. I could have used a different credit card, but obviously I'd spent enough.
Do you feel like you spent more than you usually would spend a trip to the mall?
Well, I never really go on shopping sprees. I never treat myself like that. So, yes, but I haven't, I needed all those things that I got from my apartment. So.
All right. Have you ever had a time in the past when you felt this way, where you felt really good?
Not like this, no.
No?
It's the first time I just feel like, life's falling into place right now.
Life's falling into place?
Mm-hmm.
So you're feeling pretty good? You feel like things are going your way?
I do.
And you're getting a lot accomplished?
Mm-hmm.
Any sadness or anything like that?
Mm-hmm. Recently?
No? Any change in appetite?
Mm-mm.
You seem to have a good amount of energy. Any feelings of worthlessness?
No.
Nothing? Any thoughts of death or dying?
No.
Drug and alcohol use?
No.
How about medical conditions?
None.
None. All right. Have you ever had a time in the past when you felt depressed?
I mean, I have been depressed in the past, yes.
Yeah?
But, I mean, I feel like I was almost a different person then. And I feel like, you know, I haven't had any of those symptoms, you know, and I feel like it's a new me.
It's a new you?
Yep.
So do you know what happened with the depression in the past? Like, did you end up in a hospital or being treated in some other way?
No.
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 There's just no treatment?
No, I mean, I've talked to people before about being depressed, but I was never hospitalized for it.
All right. But you believe you were depressed?
Yes.
Yeah. Now or back then, did you see or hear things that other people couldn't see or hear?
No.
Not now or back then?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right, Sherry. Answering these questions has been helpful to me. I appreciate it. I'm going to get you over to see a counselor in just a few moments.
Okay.
All right. I know that you're feeling pretty good, but I'd like them to talk to you for just a bit.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Sherry.